So I'm down here in my crafty cave and I am looking around and I'm thinking I really need to reorganize before I can really get out there and start creating again. So I thought it would be fun to take you along on my journey to see my progress from start to finish. I don't really know where I'm going with this. I just sat down here today and I thought this would be kind of a fun thing to do together. So I want to flip it around so you can see kind of what I'm talking about down here. So as you can see, I am in the basement and I have done a craft room tour before, and I'll put that in a link up here in the corner. But this is kind of where I stand to do my scrapbook layouts and my videos. And what doesn't work for me is, first of all, the cupboard over here in the corner. It's where I have paper, and you can see my paper racks over here in the corner. But it's not close to where I need it. So I need to do something with that. I'm thinking I might even sell these wire paper racks because they just don't work. They're not great for holding the scraps, and I have a lot of scraps, as you might have as well. And then I have another paper container over here. Again, not in a very good place. I need to get that more over to my desk area. And if we zoom around behind me, then I have a desk over here with my computer, and you can see I'm just piling stuff up on it. I have a sewing machine over there. I don't know why. I don't ever use it. I guess I could put that away. I have my planner stuff in here. I do like putting it in the cart because I can roll that around to where I need it when I want to work on it. All right, so then panning over here, I do have my Cricut right behind me with my computer, and they do need to be um, next to each other so that I can work back and forth. So that works, sort of. All right, so then I have my desk area, which looks like a tornado, of course, because it always does. And this is where I do some of my work as well, but I need to kind of figure that out. Make better use of this space. As you can see, I've got all my close to my heart ink pads in here. I've got some old Stampin' Up ink pads. In here I've got Stampin' Up and close to my heart ink pads, old styles, new styles, so I need to do something with that. I really like this container here because that is an antique piece. It was actually my father-in-law's. He had a tool box, I don't know what you call that, a tool cubby, tool caddy, and I really do like that, but I think I can make better use of that as well. And then down here is where I have all my 8.5 by 11 paper, which is good because it is next to where I sit. However, this is also my big shot area, which is turning into a disaster, so I need to do something with that. And then I do have these desk drawers and these wire mesh drawers, and up here is a caddy where I hang up my stickers. So those are good things. I just need to reorganize them a little better. And in this box, this red box, let me show you. See, I just have things everywhere. So all my layouts laying all around. And in here are my dies and embossing folders, which works for now. It's not the greatest, so I'll need to figure out a different system for that, because some of them fit, some of them don't. But I do like having it next to my die cut machine. And so here's some more embellishments I need to put away, some envelopes, a little tray that I use for ephemera bits and pieces that I'm using on a project. So I need to work on that. And then zooming around the room again, I have this armoire. It used to be in my daughter's room when she was a baby. She's now 40. So I like it. I don't utilize it. It's full of drawers that have turned into junk. Okay, so I need to figure that out. And obviously I need to paint this again. Because first of all, I even spelled it wrong. And this is from way back when. Then I have this old table, again, and just another flat surface, which I need to figure out what to do with. So that's the room in a nutshell. So I'm gonna get in here, get reorganizing. I think the first thing I want to do is figure out how and where to put this cupboard, and what to do with this paper and these shelves. So stay tuned, more to come. So there you have it. There's my room in a nutshell, quick pan around. So I have a lot um, to take care of today, and I actually have more stuff coming today. So that's kind of what spurred me to thinking how I can make this all work better. So, so I hope you'll stay tuned and follow me along on this journey. And if you have any ideas, thoughts, suggestions for me, I would love them down in the comment section down below. And I should say, yes, I do know about the Califax and that organization system, but that is just not in my budget. So let me know what you think.